Hi guys, welcome back. Today we want to dive into step-by-step process on how to add Gmail signature. Go to gmail.com and click on settings. See all settings. Then scroll down. Here it is. Signature. Right now no signature, then click on create new. Add the signature name. Click on create, then add your signature details. If you want to add a link to your signature, highlight the particular word and click on the link icon. And if you want to bold also, highlight and click on the B. Scroll down under the signature default, then choose the option on how you want your signature to work. Once you are done, scroll down to save your changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.